If you would build your DIY backyard cabana, how would you handle it? What kind of materials would you put on the roofing? Today is day 4 of constructing our DIY backyard cabana to house our hot tub. Hi, this is Four-Lit Sky. Welcome to Four-Lit Sky Arts and Architecture, where I share my skills and knowledge in gardening, painting, and other DIY projects. If you haven't already, please subscribe to help me grow my channel. Click the like button, share this video with others, and leave a comment so we can connect. Today, I would like to share the detail of our cabana structure and show the installation of roofing materials. Our cabana floor space measured 10 feet by 8 feet, and we started to stand our 4x4 post in the 4 buckets and pour concrete inside the buckets to use as our main foundation and column. Later, we added these 2 foundations on each sides of the space using hollow blocks, concrete, and 4 of those 2x4 treated wood as additional support and foundation because we realized it was insufficient. Then we installed our 4 beams to connect the posts, and they measured 2x8s. Then we put 6 of 2x4 rafters on top of the beam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rafters. Supposed to be 6 and should be on the center, but that's okay. And then on top of the rafter, then we put the purlins. The purlins is supposed to be the joist to connect the roofing materials, which you can see it there. We picked transparent corrugated PVC material for our roofing because it is light and easy to install. So we decided on transparent materials so the light would come through them to provide sunlight for my succulent plants. The size we picked is 26 inches by 12 feet in length because that is the width of our structure, and we used total of 6 pieces to cover the length of the space. And that's it for today, guys. Please watch our next and future episodes until we reveal the finished project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following videos.